This is the RedMagic 10 Pro, and I'm about to show you the next level of mobile gaming on a smartphone. 5 months ago when I unboxed and reviewed this phone, I said this is the fastest smartphone in the world right now in 2025. And after 6 months of using it, no other smartphone launched in 2025 is capable of dethroning it. And the reason is simple. It is the only flagship smartphone with built-in cooling fan, blasting at 23,000 rotation per minute inside a massive 12,000 millimeter square vapor chamber surface area. Well, nobody beats that. Here is a full spec sheet for some of you nerds out there. Spec sheet doesn't tell the full story, as all smartphones created before RedMagic have always been plagued by throttling. Boy, this iPhone 16 Pro gets so hot if you play a game with it for about 30 minutes, but that's not the experience when it comes to the RedMagic 10 Pro. So what is the next level of smartphone mobile gaming? I will talk about throttling. Can we use smartphone in gaming with little or no throttling at all when the gaming gets warm? The RedMagic does it in a special way with the Diablo mode. First, switch on the game mode. That's interesting. And if you're the type that like to customize your own user setting and options, and this keeps record for you, there is so much other option that you can tweak for your profile. But let's start a gaming, because I want to show you how your CPU and GPU works in every other smartphone when you're gaming. So this is the way the CPU on the left and the GPU on the right, this is where they're working. But when it comes to the RedMagic 10 Pro, there is the Diablo mode. And we're going to scroll down on the left of our screen. The last menu is the Diablo mode. We're going to turn it on, skip all the warnings. And now this is the full power of this device. The CPU 4.32 gigahertz, the GPU 1100 megahertz. And that is what you get for all your game, no throttling. The fan is blasting at 23,000 rotation per minute, and you can play all your game. The shoulder triggers made gaming so fun and easy, but there's more. The battery? Oh, that one too. 7,050 milliamperes of carbon silicon battery that lasts 2 days or over 10 hours screen on time of demanding gaming on a single charge, and on top it up, the 80 watts or 100 watts out of the box charger does charge from 0 to 100% in 37 minutes. Whoa, isn't this next level? For every other flagship smartphone, yes, but for RedMagic 10 Pro, no way, because there is still more. This is USB-C to HDMI cable capable of delivering 4K 120 FPS. This is the Sony X75 65 inches 4K Gogo TV. Let me show you the next level. The RedMagic 10 Pro is equipped with USB-C version 3.2 Gen 2, capable of delivering 8K at 60 FPS. Unfortunately, we only have a 65-inch 4K TV here, so let's put that to work. Connect the HDMI first, then the USB-C, and instantly you are on the TV with 4K experience. Direct 4K mirroring of your game on a large screen without delay is a beauty to behold. There is so much more in this next level. You can play the game on a big screen and your phone as a controller too. Lots of features on this gaming phone. So whether you're gaming on your smartphone or you want more out of your smartphone, the RedMagic 10 Pro brings more. The RedMagic is your next level mobile gaming device starting from $649 for this, with all the power it carries and the features. And yes, it is still the coolest and the fastest smartphone of 2025. I meant that literally. No pun intended. So make sure to like, share this video. It might be useful to somebody out there, and subscribe. Click on that subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon to get videos like this when we upload them. And make sure you follow me on all our social media handles. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our world.